Guys, Technomentor here with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you how to force restart or reset your iPhone 11 on the latest iOS version. Now, a force restart will help you fix any software related issue that you may be experiencing with your iPhone, and one of the number one go-to troubleshooting steps when it comes to troubleshooting your iPhone. So in order to do a force restart, first thing is you're going to locate the volume up and volume down button, and then you'll locate the side button here. So in order to do that, you're going to press and release the volume up and then press and release the volume down. Finally, come over to the right hand side and press and hold the side button until the screen goes completely black. And once you see the Apple logo appear, you'll let go of that button. So I'll do volume up, volume down, and then I hold this side button just like that. And you're going to keep on holding it like I am here. Do not slide to power off because that'll be a normal shutdown. And the reason why we're doing this is that we're forcing it to shut down completely so the software can be reloaded. Once you see the Apple logo, we let go of that side button, and that means the phone is rebooting up normally and reloading the code. So if it's a software related issue that's impacting your phone, whether app's not responding, screen isn't responding, it's just for some reason isn't working the way it should, it will fix that for you. Now, doing this method will not delete any of your personal data. So all of your photos, videos, apps, contact, document, books, whatever you have on your phone will all be there. You will not lose any of your data. And after you get back onto the main screen, we have now completed a forced restart. Hopefully, whatever issue you may be experiencing is now fixed after doing a forced restart. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please make sure to like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.